So Jeff is here with our good friend Tom, who is helping us put on a new set of tires for the rig. As you can see here, this side is already done, and we're super grateful to Tom and his wife Beth for helping us out with this. And then we're gonna go check around the other side to see the rest of the install. Hey babe, how's it going?
Good.
These are nice tires. Done. Yeah. Super excited. Are you having fun, Audrey? Are Mr. Tom's dogs playing with you? Yeah. So these tires are the Hercules Power ST2, and they are 10-ply tires, which is a big improvement from the crap tires we had on here before that came with the rig. We also have the Hercules tires on Jeff's truck, which I'll show you over here. Obviously they're not trailer tires, they're truck tires, but we're super happy with these. And Jeff loves them. So the tire shop that Tom owns is Rapid Tire Service in New York. I'll get you guys the contact information, but if you're ever driving through New York, and I'll tell you what area it is, but if you're ever in that area and you're finding yourself in need of some tires, you need to check them out because they were super helpful. Oh, and this is Tom and Beth's super awesome Class A rig. This is Tom's first car, a GTO, and he still has it since he was 16 years old. Tom's got some pictures to show us.
This is, well, the car was white at the time. That's me when I was 16. I had a racing jacket, my racing jacket, and a racing helmet. That was real dirt. That's my brother. He originally owned the car.
How cool is this? I love it. We'll have to. There's a picture of you, Tom, right there.
And me and Beth got married.
Aww.
Then I went middle-aged crazy 18 years ago.
I like it white and I like it red.
This is my brother Aldo. He's originally owned the car. He passed away.
How amazing is
this? This is my high school tassel right there.
Oh my gosh, how cool is
You
this?
can sit in it. Oh,
okay, I'm gonna sit in it. Wow, look at this.
High school tassel right here.
Look at that, it's high school tassel.
Blue and white. It faded like me.
1975. It's a good year, Tom. This is just so cool. That is amazing.
They're all dirt right now.
They're beautiful, Tom.
See, most women used Thunderbirds back then, had a tilt wheel out of the way.
Get out of here. So they can kind of get, you know, their skirts,
yeah.
you know, in the car.
Yeah.
I did not know that. So this is Tom's personal museum. A lot of family history here. This is so cool. But as you heard, Tom's father owned a Sinclair service shop and gas station. And he has a little mini model of that right here. So this is the first mission.
First mission, it was Operation Tidal Wave. They lost 666 men. They flew to Romania to bomb the oil fields in Romania.
Wow.
That was the most heavily fortified target in World War II. This woman here came to my shop and she saw the picture of that plane and she said, I flew them in World War II. She was a Wasp.
Wow.
That's her. She's 100 now. She's still flying. That's her Curtis. She lives in Pompano Beach, Florida. There's my father's uniform, 32 small.
Ah, 32 small.
My brother's from World War II.
Wow.
And that is the Italian flag that flew at the air base and where my father, when the Americans took over in Italy. Yeah.
Wow.
But you can't play with it. It sits on the shelf, okay?
That's
Tom is giving Audrey
okay, the door is
the
open,
James
closed.
Bond car.
Okay.
Do you love it?
Yeah. That's Austin.
Do you say,
Austin
what do you
Martin.
say to Mr. Tom?
You can hold it, but don't drop it, okay?
What do you say to Mr. Tom?
You're welcome.
Give him a
Bring him
hug.
Let me give him a
I'm
hug
all
real quick,
sweaty.
even though he's all sweaty.
Oh,
See, that's Amigo and Sally.
that is
You
so
wanna feed
sweet.
them?
Amigo and Sally. I did a little bit. I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna show everyone his. That's not a camper, love.
I mean a rig.
That's not even a rig, babe. That is a Class A, right?
Give me that.
It's a big old Class A. Super nice.
Give me that.
You are so cute.
You can pet them, they won't hurt you.
Cute they are.
Oh, you
This is the best, Audrey. They're good. I think they're girls, honey.
They are. They're both
They're
good. That's the
girls.
mommy and the baby.
They're girls. They're girls.
Oh, cute.
What
Sally won't
sweet
bother you. Amigo gets it.
babies.
This is his herd.
Look at you. Go in there, Jeff.
Yep, they're jealous. Someone's getting.
Oh.
Here, give us
Tell them why every donkey has a cross on their back.
because they carry Jesus. That's the
That's
legend.
right. See, that's
No
the
matter what
legend that
color it
they
is.
carried Jesus.
Good
And that is true because you really can
Good
see
girl.
that they do have a cross.
That's the mommy.
How amazing is that?